Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you feel sick, you cannot go to work today, but you need to call your manager in English. What do you say? How do you explain? What words do you use? Today, we practice exactly this together. Slow, clear, easy English. After this video, you will know exactly what to say. Welcome to Easy Work English, the channel for people who want to speak English at work with confidence. Today's topic is very important for everyone who works abroad or plans to. We will practice 5 real conversations about reporting absence at work. All English is slow. All English is clear. All English is for beginners. Let's begin. Here is how to use this video. Step 1, listen and relax. Don't worry about every word. Step 2, listen again and repeat. Say the sentences out loud. Step 3, save these phrases. Use them at your real job. You can listen while commuting, cooking, or relaxing. Just press play. Ready? Let's go to Conversation 1. Conversation 1. Calling your manager. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Ashley is sick. She has a fever. She cannot go to work today. She calls her manager, Miss Johnson. Listen carefully to what she says.
Good morning. This is Miss Johnson.
Good morning, Miss Johnson. This is Ashley from the sales team.
Good morning, Ashley. Is everything okay?
I'm sorry to call so early. I'm not feeling well today. I have a fever and a sore throat.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Ashley. How are you feeling?
Not very well, I'm afraid. I don't think I can come to work today.
Of course. Please take care of yourself. Do you think you will be back tomorrow?
I hope so. I will see how I feel. If I am still sick tomorrow, I will call you again.
That's fine. Please rest and don't worry about work.
Thank you for understanding, Miss Johnson. I will make sure my work is covered.
Don't worry about that now. Just focus on getting better.
Thank you. Goodbye. 3 important phrases from this conversation. I'm not feeling well today. Say this when you are sick. I don't think I can come to work today. A polite way to report absence. I really appreciate it. Say this when someone is kind and understanding. Practice these phrases. They are very useful. Now, Conversation 2. Conversation 2. Sending a message to your manager. Sometimes you cannot call. Maybe it is too early. Maybe your voice is too weak. In this case, you can send a message on WhatsApp, Line, or by email. Listen to this conversation between Ashley and her team leader, Mr. Tan. Ashley sends a message first, then Mr. Tan replies. Ashley's message. Good morning, Mr. Tan. I'm sorry to inform you that I am not able to come to work today. I woke up with a stomachache and a headache. I will rest at home and hope to be back tomorrow. I apologize for any inconvenience. Ashley.
Mr. Tan's reply. Good morning, Ashley. Thank you for letting me know. Please rest and take care. I hope you feel better soon. Keep me updated about tomorrow. Get well soon.
Ashley's reply. Thank you so much for understanding, Mr. Tan. I will update you tomorrow morning. I will also make sure my tasks are covered. Thank you again.
Mr. Tan's reply. No problem at all. Don't worry about work. Focus on your health first. Feel better soon, Ashley.
Now let me read the key phrases slowly for you. I'm sorry to inform you that. A very professional phrase. Use this at work. I apologize for any inconvenience. This shows you are responsible and polite. Keep me updated. A manager says this when they want to know more later. Focus on your health first. A kind response when someone is sick. These phrases are perfect for a professional message.
Now, conversation 3. You are doing great. We have finished 2 conversations already. Quick question. Have you ever had to call in sick at work in English? Was it difficult? Tell me in the comments. Even 1 sentence is wonderful English practice. If this video is helping you, please like it. It really helps our channel grow. Now, let's listen to conversation 3. This one is very important. Talking to a doctor.
Conversation 3. Getting a doctor's note. In many countries, when you are sick and absent from work, your company asks for a doctor's note. A doctor's note is a letter from the doctor. It confirms that you were sick. In this conversation, Ashley goes to see a doctor and asks for a note for her employer. Listen.
Good morning. Please sit down. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, doctor. I'm not feeling well. I have had a headache and a fever since yesterday.
I see. How high is your fever?
About 38.5 degrees.
Okay. And do you have any other symptoms? A cough, a sore throat?
Yes, a little sore throat, and I feel very tired.
I understand. Let me check. Yes, you have a mild infection. You need to rest for 2 days.
Thank you, doctor. Can I ask, do you provide a doctor's note for work?
Yes, of course. Your employer will need one?
Yes, please. My company requires a note when we are absent.
No problem. I will write a note for you. It will say you are unfit for work for 2 days.
Thank you so much. That is very helpful.
Here is your prescription too. Please take this medicine twice a day with food.
Twice a day with food. I understand. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Please rest, drink plenty of water, and don't go back to work until you feel better.
I will. Thank you very much.
Take care. Feel better soon.
3 key phrases from the doctor's office. I have had a fever since yesterday. Notice since. This tells when the sickness started. My company requires a note. Requires means needs or must have. I will write a note saying you are unfit for work. This is what a doctor's note says. These phrases are very useful if you need medical help while working abroad. Now, conversation 4. Conversation 4. Asking a colleague to cover your work. When you are absent, someone needs to do your work. It is very professional to contact a colleague and arrange this yourself. Your manager will notice and respect you for it. Listen to Ashley calling her colleague Amy to ask for help.
Hello? This is Amy.
Hi, Amy. It's Ashley. I'm sorry to bother you.
Ashley, are you okay? Where are you?
I'm at home. I'm not well today. I have called Miss Johnson already.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I have a high fever. I need to stay home and rest.
Of course. Don't worry. Is there anything I can help with?
Yes, actually. That's why I'm calling. Can I ask you a big favor?
Of course. What do you need?
I have a report due today. The monthly sales report. It's almost finished. Can you submit it for me?
Sure. Where is the file?
It's in the shared folder. Sales reports, November. The file name is Monthly Sales Final.
Got it. Monthly Sales Final. I'll find it.
Thank you so much, Amy. I really owe you one.
Don't be silly. That's what teammates are for. Just focus on getting better.
You're the best. I'll make it up to you when I'm back.
I'll remember that. Take care, Ashley. Get well soon.
Thank you, Amy. I really appreciate it. Goodbye.
Bye. Feel better.
3 phrases to remember. Can I ask you a big favor? A polite way to ask for help with something important. I really owe you one. This means I will help you back in the future. I'll make it up to you. This means I will do something nice for you later. These phrases make you sound natural and professional. One final conversation.
Conversation 5. Returning to work after absence. The final conversation. Ashley is better now. She is back at work. What do you say to your manager and colleagues when you return? Listen to Ashley on her first day back.
Ashley, you're back. How are you feeling?
Good morning, Miss Johnson. I'm feeling much better, thank you. I'm sorry for the absence. Please don't apologize. Your health comes first. Are you sure you're ready to come back? Yes, I feel well now. Thank you for understanding the other day. Of course. We were all worried about you. Did you bring your doctor's note? Yes, here it is. The doctor confirmed I had a viral infection. I am fully recovered now. Perfect. Thank you, Ashley. I'll keep this on file. Welcome back. Thank you. I'm happy to be back. I'll check my emails now and catch up on everything. Take your time. There's no rush. Let me know if you need anything. I will. Thank you.
Ashley, you're back. Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better. Thank you, Tom. Did everything go okay while I was away?
Yes, don't worry. Amy helped with your report. Everything was fine.
That's a relief. I need to thank Amy. I really appreciate everyone's help.
That's what a team is for. Welcome back, Ashley.
Thank you. It's good to be back.
3 final phrases. I'm sorry for the absence. Always say this when you return. It is very professional. I am fully recovered. This means you are completely better. That's a relief. Say this when you hear good news after worrying. You now know exactly what to say, from calling in sick to coming back to work. Ashley did it, and so can you.
Excellent work today.
Let's review what Ashley practiced.
Conversation 1, calling her manager when she was sick. Conversation 2, sending a professional message. Conversation 3, getting a doctor's note. Conversation 4, asking a colleague to cover her work. Conversation 5, returning to work after absence. Now you know exactly what to say in every situation. Practice these phrases every day. Even just 5 minutes of listening makes a big difference. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe. Every week, we create slow, clear English listening practice just for people like you. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.